if you're experiencing issues with Baldur's Gate 3 updates getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. You can test your connection by visiting a website or streaming a video. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close and restart the game client, such as Steam or GOG. Sometimes, simply restarting the client can help refresh the update process and resolve any temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear download cache. In your game client settings, look for an option to clear the download cache. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming the download. This can often kickstart the update process and allow it to continue downloading. Step 5. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This will ensure that you have the latest version and can resolve any issues related to corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of updates getting stuck in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.